Hello children, how are you? As usual, I am your Saurabh sir, the computer teacher. Fine. And before starting my class, I will again remind you, be safe, don't go outside, it's corona is waiting outside for you, and always be careful. And my today's class is for class 2. Okay? For class 2, I am going to discuss these two questions. First question is how to operate computer. Means in this question we will discuss how to open computer, how to operate, how to work on computer. Okay, and this next one question is different etiquettes of computer. Means how we should behave in front of computer, what manners we should follow to operate the computers. Fine. Okay. First one is how to operate computers. In this how to operate computer, we have to. I have seen in the computer lab most of you do not switch without opening this system properly. You are start operating a computer system. So it will may cause a damage in the computer parts. I will be reminding you in class computer lab many occasion. And you should have to first open your UPS. Okay, I am starting my class, and before opening of the computer, you have to just give your power button switch on, which you find at the bottom of your computer lab, of your computer floor. And after switch on the power button, you have to switch on your UPS. Okay. And after UPS, you have to switch on CPU. And after CPU, the power will move to other peripherals of the computer like mouse, keyboard, and the monitor as well. Fine. And you have to wait 2, 3, 4, depending on the speed of the computer, you will find that your system became totally open. Now you are ready to operate the computer system. Fine. Again, I am reminding you how to open the computer system. First, switch on your electric board. Then switch on your UPS. Then switch on the CPU button, CPU power button, and the system will be totally switched on. Just wait 2 or 3, not 2 3 minutes, only 5 to 10 seconds. You will find that your system became totally open. Once you look at your keyboard, there will be a power button in keyboard. You will find that system is okay, it's opened properly. Fine. So for the first question, how to operate computer. Operate computer means how to open computer. Okay. Not operate, it should be open. How to open computer. I have written wrong question. Operate will be different thing. How to open computer. So I am just writing. Your assignment will be based on this question. In the coming days, in the last day of this week, I will give you assignment on this question. Okay? Answer of first question will be different steps to open system. Okay? System means computer. First, switch on power button. Second one, switch on UPS button. UPS. Third one is the switch on the CPU. Fourth one, not only 3 one is important. Your monitor will be automatically switch on. If you not switch off with the switch off button on the monitor, it will automatic switch on. Don't worry. You no need to switch on or off the monitor power button. Okay. After following these three steps, you can find that the system became totally open. And the next question is different etiquettes of the computer, means how you have to behave in your computer lab, computers, in front of computers. Okay, I have found that most of you have not behaving very well in front of computer. Some of you start fighting, some of you start pulling mouse, some of you start pulling wire of the keyboard. This may cause damage to the computer parts, so you don't have to behave such manner. Okay, so my second question is the different etiquettes of the computer system, how you should have to behave in front of your computer. Okay, now I am explaining this, answering the second question. Different etiquettes of the computer. Answer of second question will be, I am explaining in point wise. Don't play in front of computer. You don't have to play any game in front of computer, like playing with balls of computer. B, next point is don't fight. Don't fight. You don't have to fight in front of computer with others. C, don't rush to computer. Means don't rush to computer means once you are entering the computer lab, you don't have to run and start fighting with your friends that no, I will operate the computer system. Okay, it means don't rush to computer system. You just come politely in the computer lab and start and we sit in a polite manner. And the next one is don't drink or eat in front of computer. Drink, eat in front of computer. Next point is don't pull computer wire. Don't pull computer wire. If you pull the computer wire, it may cause damage of the computer peripherals. Like you start pulling your mouse, it may cause damage to the CPU. Okay. In the computer lab, your senior class from class 9th, there was a boy who did this in the computer lab, and he got punishment because of this activity. So you always keep in mind, don't pull any wire in the computer room. And next point is be calm. In computer lab. Last point is be calm in computer lab means you don't have to shout and disturb the other one. You don't have to run in the computer lab like that. You are operating this computer and then you start running to operate the other computer also. You don't have to run. That's why I keep telling you in the computer lab that be seated at your seat. Don't go out. Okay, so these are the different points we have discussed in the computer room, and this chapter is based on the different etiquettes of the computer. Fine. So today is good enough for this lecture, and I will give you the assignment worksheet depends on this question in the coming days of this week. Okay. So at the end of our session, today's session, again I am reminding you to be safe at home, don't go outside, and wait for the government how they are commanding you. Okay, have a good day.